I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you've encountered a billing error on Uber Web, follow these steps to resolve it. Step 1. Log into your Uber account. Go to the Uber website and sign in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. This is where you can manage your payment methods and billing information. Step 3. Review your payment methods. In account settings, select the payment section to review your saved payment methods. Ensure that your credit card or payment method is valid and has not expired. Step 4. Check your trip history. Go to the Your Trips section to review your recent rides. Look for any discrepancies in the charges listed. If you find an error, note the trip details for reference. Step 5. Contact Uber support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Remember, it may take some time for Uber to respond, but they usually resolve billing issues quickly. Good luck, and I hope this helps you get your billing sorted out.